Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your MSI Thin A15 to an external TV. There are gonna be three methods and I'm gonna show you all of them and also explain their use cases, because for different uses different methods may work better or worse. So I'm just gonna turn the TV on and first I'm gonna show you the first method, which is gonna be connecting via a cable. It's very reliable and you can honestly do anything with it. You can watch videos, play games, or do anything else because it's reliable, fast, and shows you the whole screen on the TV. So what we need to do is either connect your laptop with the HDMI port that's at the back of your laptop, or with the USB-C, which is on the right side of your laptop, because both of these ports can output the video. So it just depends on what cable do you have. And I'm gonna use an HDMI to HDMI cable because that's what I have, and that's what also my TV takes, because the other end of the cable needs to fit your TV, and this TV that I have here only has HDMI ports. So I'm gonna plug it in. Also plug it in at the back of the laptop now. And now they are connected, so what I need to do now is to change the source on my TV to, I guess, HDMI 2. And yes, as you can see, it works, and now it displays the same content on both displays, so it'll just have everything the same. Okay, and now we can continue with the next step. Okay, the screen has went off. Which is changing the display array. So now we have the same thing displaying. So the quick fix for that is clicking on Windows P on the keyboard. Then you can choose whether you want to PC screen only, duplicate, which will show the same thing on both screens. You can also extend it, so you can, for example, put one like window on the TV, like let's say the browser. We can put it on the TV and watch some videos here while doing something else on our laptop. It's pretty great, pretty convenient, and I'm gonna show you something with the extended screen in a moment. But before that, there's also the option which some people also use, which is second screen only, so it'll only display image on the TV. But I'm gonna go back to extend, and what I wanted to show you is that you can change the array of displays, because now it has detected it as if the TV was on the right side of my laptop. So as I move my mouse to the right side, then it moves to the TV, and I want to change it, in case you also do. Then after clicking on Windows P, you'll have more display settings at the bottom, and you can just change the array. So I'm gonna drag the TV to the top like that, and I'm gonna apply. Then as I move my mouse here, you can see this is how it basically works. It is also pretty convenient. And let's go with the next method, which is gonna be less reliable. But if you don't have a cable, then sometimes it'll be great, unless the third method will be unavailable. So the third method I'm gonna talk about later, but it's gonna be about casting videos from websites that support it. But if you want to cast something that isn't supported by a certain website like YouTube or Netflix, then you can only share your whole screen. If you only can share your whole screen and don't have a cable or are too far from the TV to use the cable, then I'm gonna unplug the cable first. And what I need to do now is on my laptop, I need to go to settings. Then in settings, go to system, display, and find the multiple displays. Then click on connect. And now, if I'm on the same Wi-Fi network on my laptop and my TV, then I should be able to find the TV in this menu. Then on my TV, I need to click on OK to allow. It depends on the TV. Sometimes it'll be something different. Maybe you will need to enter a code. And you can see now I'm connected. I can also change the arrays and extend or duplicate the same as previously, but it'll be less reliable. You can see it has a bit of a delay, so it is not too great for doing some stuff that requires it to have no delay. But sometimes if you want to just cast some photos, for example, to share them with your family, you can of course do that with this method. And now let's go to the third method. I'm gonna first disconnect from the casting. And now let's go on my laptop to like any website that I can use for casting, for example, the YouTube. So if I go to YouTube, then I'm gonna just accept all of that and search for our channel. Then you can just open a video that you want to play.
It's HardReset, and today,
and then click on, if you don't see this button here, which I'm talking about, then we'll have a bit of a problem. So yes, I don't see the button for casting. If you also cannot see this, and even after clicking on share, or after clicking on settings, or on these three dots, then most probably will not be able to do it with the Microsoft Edge. So I have Google Chrome installed, and on Google Chrome it will surely work. So let me just quickly open YouTube and I'll get back. And now we should be able to cast after I've opened the YouTube now. And what we have to do is click on three dots in top right corner and find Cast, Shave and Share. Then click on Cast. And now it'll look for available devices. So I have my TV here, make sure to be on the same network. Then I'm gonna click on Confirm, and it should get me to YouTube on my TV. Let's see if it does. It actually didn't. Okay, I can hear it on the TV, but I cannot see it. So I'm just gonna open YouTube and maybe it'll catch that then. Let's see if it opens it even. Okay, so I have a problem with internet. I'm gonna quickly reconnect and get back to you. Okay, so YouTube is now opened, and let's try casting again. So I'm gonna try playing it again. I may need to again go to cast, but as you can see, it works. So it just places that on my TV, and I can use my laptop as a remote to play it or pause it, but everything will be played on the TV. And so these are just the three methods. I personally prefer the first one, but sometimes if I don't have a cable long enough, then I use the third method to watch videos. And it may work also on Netflix or other providers. It just depends on the provider. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.